Hello guys, this is Happy Mom Marian. Once again, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a face mask. According to CDC, the famous cotton face mask because N95 and another medical face mask out of stock and only medical professional can use it. So now today, I'm going to show you how to make a face mask. This is a bandana, and this one is this is like a plain one. I choose purple because this is my favorite color. And one cute like animal print hanky from my closet. And then I need a coffee filter and rubber bands. Then I am going to use a used face mask. And I'm just going to tie the end. Okay. Smaller hanky, and this is thinner material. So what I do, this one I will put the coffee filter, put it like that in the center, and then hold it like this, hold it like that. One is in the center here, because this is thin and smaller. This is where I use this one. And you can feel the filter, the edge of the filter. That is how to make a face mask, and remember to wear a face mask whenever you go out and practicing social distancing, and also stay home is the best, according to CDC. So that is how to make a face mask. And remember to wear a face mask whenever you go outside. And stay home if necessary. And stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. And see you in my next video.